Most people have no idea that South Asians can have 3 to 5% more body fat at the same BMI than white populations. This shocking fact reveals a fundamental flaw in calorie calculators. Your journey to health must not be blocked by misleading tools built on Western norms. Let's delve into these inaccuracies and uncover more precise alternatives tailored for your needs. Most South Asians find calorie calculators ineffective due to their reliance on Western body composition norms. This leads to unnecessary frustration and stalled progress even after following guidelines diligently. These tools can mislead you, causing doubt and wasting your valuable time. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why these tools are inadequate for South Asians and how to revolutionize your health approach. We'll offer precise strategies to optimize your results and break free from the confines of generic calculations. Tip: treat your calculated TDEE as a ceiling, not a target. This helps avoid overestimating caloric needs inherent in Western formulas. Track your intake under this level for weeks to see precise adjustments. Think of it as budgeting your calories for savings. Track body fat percentage, not just weight. The Navy circumference method offers a critical insight into visceral fat, crucial for South Asians. It's like checking oil levels for engine efficiency rather than just the fuel gauge. Don't let weight alone mislead your journey. Reassess your plan regularly to adapt to personal progress. Altering your strategy every few weeks is like tuning an instrument for optimal results. Without this, you risk wasting time and effort on an unsuitable plan. Stay proactive by monitoring your body's responses. Account for traditional eating patterns. Tracking foods like Roti and Ghee ensures accuracy, avoiding misleading results. Think of it as customizing a universal recipe with local ingredients for better flavor. Avoid inaccuracies that skew your calorie and nutrient intake. Concentrate on measurements such as the waist-to-height ratio, which are superior risk indicators for South Asians. It's like using a speedometer to track your progress accurately. This method is more helpful than solely relying on BMI, which may not reflect health risks precisely for you. Here's what most people get completely wrong. They rely solely on generic calculators for their health journey. It's akin to wearing a one-size-fits-all outfit, ignoring your unique body markers. This oversight could hinder your progress, despite your efforts. Remember, your journey is unique. Focus on precise measures like TDEE as a ceiling, track body fat percentage, and consider your traditional eating patterns. Like, subscribe, and share for more insights. Visit F2Fx for the full blog and more tips on transforming your health journey.